the champions, my friend. Dun, dun, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lamika Young, and thank you for coming. If this is your first time here, you already know what to do. I know I'm not your first YouTube video, so go ahead and do what you need to do. I'll give you a couple of seconds to do it. Yeah, I put this on. So what's up, you guys? How you guys been doing? Are you enjoying fall? I know I am. Here in Los Angeles, we've had a sweltering hot summer. And for the last 2 weeks, it's actually been very pleasant, very cool. When I say cool, I had to pull out a space heater the other day, so cool. You know, us Californians, we're very spoiled to our weather. So guys, as you saw in the intro, this is a Kylie video. She just released a new collection. And and the only reason I'm making the video is because the packaging was so amazing, right? It's crazy. So this is the 4 high glosses she put out. Look at the packaging. Girls, gentlemen, it is so soft, so fuzzy. You can even feel like the little leopard print on the hat there. It's so cute. Those are the 4 glosses here. And to be honest with you, I only wanted 1 gloss out of this package. Can you guys guess which one? Let me know down in the comments if you think you know which one I wanted. Did that just happen? Of course it did. It's all good. Okay, so out of all the ones, this is the one I wanted out of the package. This time she wasn't selling it solo, so I had to buy the whole thing. And because my eyes are getting bad, I don't know what the name of it is. I think it's $million something or something $million bucks or something with money. Give me a couple of seconds here. What is this? Good, this is so sad. Okay, I'm not gonna even try to figure it out. But anyway, the gold one. This is the one I wanted, but she wasn't selling them singly. So I decided to, I had to buy the whole thing. I'm probably going to have some giveaways for the other 3 colors. But that is wonderful packaging, right, guys? And of course, I had to get the palette. I am the eyeshadow queen of palettes. And here this is. Can you see how gorgeous that is? Her name is actually in glitter. Just beautiful packaging, and her little seductive pose. The packaging is amazing. Amazing. Okay, so let's open it up and get right into it. I thank you guys again for coming. It's been a tough 2020, but we're all getting through, right? By the grace of God. Would you guys agree? All right. This made it a whole lot better. The Dodgers and Lakers winning. Okay, so here we have our palette. How many shades we have in here? We have 15 shades. How many mattes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 11 mattes and 4 shimmers. What do you guys think of the colors? Pretty gorgeous, right? Pretty insane. Like in the membrane. Okay, so we're just going to do a simple look. My face is already made, if you can't tell. Yeah, it's made. I know you guys don't want to see all of that on video. So all it is just, some Too Faced. We got some Forsali for the pores, we have a little pore corrector on top of the Farsali. We also, what did I do? Oh, I did a little contour. Can you guys tell? Look at my nose. I contoured my nose. Yeah, that is sweet. I love it. So we're going to get right into it. I am going to start off with this one here. Feline Fine. This one is like a burnt copper. This color. You know, a lot of companies that's coming out with natural palettes are adding this type of color in their palettes. Like Mario's nude collection, his had it in it. Natasha Denona, her nudes. I mean, what she called hers a glam palette, but hers had a color similar to it. And now Kai's. Yep, and here we go. Ooh, ooh. I absolutely love the way it's applying. As you guys can see, I'm just tapping it in. Nice and beautifully here. Nice and beautiful. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. You don't even need a lot. We're gonna tap in on top. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. So amazing as usual. You know, you guys, I was kind of, to be honest, can we be real for a minute? Can I be honest with you guys? Her last release with Kindle. This is just a thought. But I bought that palette too. I didn't do a video, but I was thinking, you know what? It might be time for her to change the formula in her eyeshadows. Because it could have just been that one, but her mattes are coming off a bit chalky, and you know, we don't want chalk. We want smooth glam. We want soft and comfy, right? Okay, so that's just my thought. That's why I didn't make the video. But you know, I don't know. They just felt very chalky. You know, and to be honest, I didn't even swatch these, so they might feel chalky too. Who knows? If you guys have experienced this or think that they feel a little chalky, I'm not seeing full of chalk, but maybe just a little bit, let me know down in the comments. You know, I have these natural big shaped eyes, so for me putting this here in my crease, you know, it just, you know, does miracles. I love it. I like to call this my transition color. I'm gonna take it up a little bit more, just a little bit. There we go. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, perfect. Can you guys see that? Oh, you guys, y'all like my one size band too? It's pretty cute, huh? When you order Patrick's spray, I think you have the option to order this. But Sephora, they actually messed up my order, so they sent this to me for free. Yay! Who doesn't love a good free product? Right? Okay, so I'm going to use this Morphe Flatty M166. And I'm going to go with Cheetah Girl on the lid. She's a little brighter than Feline Fine. See her? Right there. Oh, very pigmented. I forgot to put some powder under my eyes in case it has some fallout. It's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna tap it on. Oh gosh, it's actually showing up too. That is so beautiful. You know, sometimes you have problems with these type of colors actually showing up or staying, you know, kind of pastel-y. We're not pastel, but you know, it's an orange. It's an orangey. So I'm very happy with the coverage and the way that it's showing up. Very gorgeous, very fall looking. Oh, that is pretty. I'm just patting it on. Patting it on. Oh my gosh. That's gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm just picking it up, kind of going in a back and forth motion here to kind of get it revved up, and pick some up with my brush. Tap off a little and then get the patting again. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Look at that. Oh yeah, cool. Any of you guys have allergies? My allergies have been going bananas because it literally went from hot to cold. And my nose be running like every day. No, it's not corona. It's definitely allergies because when I take the pill, it slows down and stops. But it's like, wow, the weather's just so wicked. My goodness, there aren't any decent weather patterns nowadays. Have you guys noticed that? I want to give a shout out to my girl Makeup Me Gorgeous. She also has a channel on YouTube. She's in Los Angeles too with me. And I don't know if she got the palette yet, but I'm pretty sure she did. So after you guys finish this video, go over there and check her out too. And say hi. Tell her Lamika sent you. Okay? Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. That's beautiful. I love it. I'm in love. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do? I got my, that's not the one I want. What's my favorite blending brush of all time? My favorite blending brush of all time is definitely my blending 210 from Fenty. This is the winner of all the blending brushes. I don't care what nobody say. This is the blender that's just the bomb. Guys, I forgot to tell you, there's a mirror here. I'm going to use it now. It's just beautiful. I don't want to lose too much of my color, but just kind of marry the two. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go into Lucky Leo. No. What I want? You know, yeah, we'll go Lucky Leo. This one here. The shimmer. I'm going to use my finger. This tells us how good it is. And just apply it on the lid on top of both of the colors. On the top there. Yeah. See, that's how you could always tell if it's a good product. If you can apply it with your fingers. Now, definitely not to knock this one, but I have used better ones with my fingers. Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath, you can do it with your finger and it will give you some out of sight coverage. That's why you guys, her stuff is a little more pricey, but it's well worth the bargain. This one is okay. It's just not doing exactly what I wanted it to do. But that's okay. We'll take it for now. This is so beautiful. Look at this gorgeous look. It definitely came out good. Let me find me a little inner corner. And then I'm gonna, let me see, I'm gonna go add my lashes. Okay, so for the inner corner, we'll go Exotic Babe. She's also a shimmer. This is a Morphe, what, M4 or what, 37, 31? M431. Very tiny in there. Maybe I got another one that's smaller than this. Do you guys know I did color correcting today too for the first time? Pretty cool. Okay. Got a little on the tip there, and let's go right in here. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Gorge. Ooh, that was pretty. That one's pretty. I like this inner corner, ladies. I love this inner corner. It's looking good. Looking good. What you guys think? Pretty cool? Alright. Yeah. See, it's not picking up on the brush as well as I would like it to. Come on, guys. It might be time, like for real, to change the formula. It might be time. Yeah. It's picking up, but it's not, man, it's not picking up as well as, you know, it could. It's still pretty, not knocking the color, just knocking the pickup on the brush. Okay, that's okay. We'll live with it for now. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go put on some lashes and I will be right back. And I'm back, darlings. Okay, so my favorite one here is called Wilding. I had to get the specs to see it. Yes, and there she is. Okay, so what I've done was just add my lashes on. I actually put Mary Jo on the lips. We know that that's from Kylie. Her lip liner and the lipstick. Isn't she gorgeous? I fixed my little twigs here. And all of you guys have been following my hair growth routine. So I cut it last March 2019. 2020 COVID happened, so I wasn't able to post a video, but to bring you up to date, I did get all my length back, so it's below my back again, and it's all natural this time. So I'm going to add Wilding on top of this lipstick, and we're going to bring this look to a finish. Oh guys, I added a beauty mark. Can you see it? It's pretty, huh? I'm silly. I watch too much of a certain program. Oh yeah, so gorgeous. Look at that. In person, real life, you can see like the gold in it. Oh, that is pretty. See, this is why this one was my favorite. So if you guys can, I wish I could zoom in, but I can't because it's just a phone. But you can see little gold sparkles in it. It is so gorgeous. So guys, this has been my demo of Kylie's, what's the name of this collection anyway? If you look on the website, it doesn't really have an official collection. So we're gonna call it the Kylie Cheetah collection. I thank you guys for being here. I do hope that you come back soon. I'll be posting videos more soon. I'll be posting more videos very soon. Thank you guys for coming again. My name is Lamika Young. You all have a nice, safe day and be blessed.